guys, I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about my lifestyle, things that I might be doing, might be looking at. But as you can see here, this is a stock chart, and there's two screens here. This top security level here, that's actually the names of the companies. This particular title here is the stock price. The last is stock prices of all these companies here down the line here. And this change here is actually the change in the stock price and value. This one here, this column here might be described just the volume of all these companies here. These are the companies here, and Apple, IBM, I should say, down here, and all these categories are reflective of the stock price of these companies. The last is actually the stock price of this company and this company, all these companies down the list here. The change, like I've said, is the daily change and the companies fluctuating at the stock. The volume is just the volume of how many stocks I've traded on a particular stock. So 100.38 million shares traded for this particular stock over here. So I'm just giving you a rough outline of things that I might be looking at. And so see you next time. Thanks for watching this short clip.